Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this quick and easy DIY, very trendy chain crop top. So of course you're going to need your tank top. I got this one from Walmart for $3.96. You're going to need some scissors, a ruler, a pencil or something to mark with, and of course your chain. I got this from Walmart as well for $3.27. You can use whatever color you want. I use silver and this one was 105 inches long. So here I'm just marking where I want to crop my top at. I decided to go halfway between where my belly button is and my breasts. You can go however short, however long you want, but that's where I decided to mark at. And then I just cut straight across where I make that dot to crop my top. So now I'm marking where I'm going to cut out that center piece of fabric where we're going to like lace it up at. So I marked at the 15 centimeter mark, which is like the halfway point of my top, and then at 13 centimeters and 17 centimeters, which is a total of 4 centimeters of fabric that I cut out. I actually did about 4.5 because I cut a little bit more after this. So yeah, about 4.5 centimeters of fabric I cut out the middle of the shirt. So now we're going to mark where we're going to place our holes to put our chain through to lace it up. So I marked at the top of the shirt, like where the neck starts, right below the seam. And I spaced my holes out 1.5 inches apart from each other. And I ended up going all the way to the 6-inch mark, which gave me a total of 5 holes on each side. Now you don't have to have exactly 5 holes on each side of your shirt. That depends on how long or how short that your top is and how far apart your holes are. But I got 5 on each side of my top. So now you just want to cut out where you marked those places for your holes, and you're going to want to make the smallest slit that you can make. You do not want to make these too big because the fabric is thin, so it's already going to stretch. So if you make them too big, it's really going to stretch and your holes are going to be too big. Your chain might slip out. It may rip through the fabric, so make them as small as you can get them. And then you're just going to want to lace it through, starting at the top and go all the way to the bottom like a shoelace, and that'll be it. It's that easy. Once you've gotten to the end of the shirt, you can just cut off any excess chain you have left, and you can tie it in a knot at the bottom if you want to secure it and keep it from slipping out. But that is it. It's literally that easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. And thank you. And make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss when I post, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.